Hi, this is Craig Phillips, owner of Quality Water Treatment, also known as Craig the Water Guy. Hope you're doing well. I want to go over our frequently asked question page, or FAQ page, with you. If you're on our site at qualitywatertreatment.com, if you scroll down, you will see a link in a blue box that says frequently asked questions. You can click on that, and it will take you to our FAQ page. Our FAQ page, we're constantly adding to it. So if you have questions and you cannot find that question answer on this page, then please click the contact link here and send us an email or use our messaging here for our live chat. And a representative will help you out and answer those questions for you. And then we'll actually add those questions and the answers to them to the FAQ for future use. If you're looking for an installation guide, the installation guides links are right here on the FAQ page. If you click on the drop down menu here, it'll pop up. You click on here, it'll take you to the page that has the information that you're looking for as far as the installation and programming for each one of these systems. And there's a lot of information here. So everything that we carry on here is on there. So you just go ahead and just click on the link of the system that you purchased or the system that you're interested in purchasing, and the information will be there for you. Same with our Catalog's iron filters. Same information is there for you. Just click on the drop down and it'll bring up the program and installation for it, as far as our Iron Master as well. It also has a link on how to test the flow rate on your well pump, which is really important before you buy an iron filter of any sort. You got to make sure the flow rate on your well pump, not your well, but your well pump is capable of backwashing that filter, which will also walk you through the process once you're done with that. All of our iron filters are detailed out to show you what kind of gallons per minute is needed to backwash it properly, so you can match it up with what your well pump flow rate is and choose the proper system that way. We also have general questions. The general questions a lot of customers ask before they purchase, such as what's the benefit of treated water, having treated water, filtered water in your home, can I install my own water softener? All that information, you just click on here and it'll go ahead and give you the answers to each and every one of these questions. It also goes over the pre-order. So why should you buy a water softener from Quality Water Treatment? How should I choose the right water softener treatment system and size? We give you all that information with the proper links to take you to help you out with all of that. The ordering process, it goes over different questions for you. How to select, how do you select a manufacturer as far as how do we select it? How can we cancel or modify our order? How can I track my order? How do I reach customer service? All that information is there for you folks. We have an equipment link. The equipment link goes over, can I install a RO system myself? Do I need to regenerate the water softener after the installation? Just all kinds of how does a filter work? All that information is there for you. As you go down here, we also have a troubleshooting drop down. The troubleshooting drop down goes through all kinds of different troubleshooting guides and techniques with you. Very simple stuff to follow. Most people could do this themselves with the information that we have given you. And we also have videos that we link to on a lot of these questions. So when you click on it, it'll give you detailed information on how to troubleshoot and repair the issue, as well as in a lot of cases there'll be a video there for you actually showing you how to do it. So we have videos on the soft pro systems and the flux systems both that give you tear down methods. Everything you need to know is there for you. So I hope this helps you folks out. If you have any questions, again, you can either call us at the 866-278-4130 number here, or you can click on the contact link or use our send us an email. or you message us on Facebook Messenger. Thank you very much and have a great day.